Okay, guys, so we are here to create something amazing, right? More like a silhouette kind of effect. So here is my nigga. This week is his birthday, right? So this week is his birthday. So we are trying to create something classic, not too serious, something playful, classic. So what if you look at my light settings? I'm shooting like come and show them like a half, like a semi-harsh light. You understand? So this has a double, cover, but I had to remove this one because I want my light to be harsh, but not too harsh. So we are going on a semi-harsh light. It's just this to cover it. So the reason why I'm using this is now I want to. He's putting on white. He's putting on white. Background is also white. So if I shoot soft light, let's say if I shoot two lights, everywhere is going to be like plain. Why one shadow? Because it's the shadow that will define our, the 3D dynamism that we're trying to create. Now the light will hit him from this point, then this side, because there's no light, so we're going to create a shadow here. So you just watch and see the end. So stay tuned, guys. Okay. So guys, I'm shooting with Canon R6. Yeah, Canon R6 with my 50 mm. All right, so let's go. Okay, beautiful. I love what I'm seeing. Yeah, I love what I'm seeing. Okay. Yeah, you can see. This is it. But then I want the light to go back a little bit. Why? Because if the light goes back, it will circulate more on this part so that this hand that is looking dark will be illuminated, right? So, okay, my setting shutter speed is 1 over 320. The aperture is 3.2 and ISO is 400. Then I'm using AD 600 BM and that one is power 1 over 64. Yeah. All right, let's go. Nigga. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, just keep changing your style. Yeah, great. So I need you. Yeah, I love that movement. Amazing. So just yeah, take one forward, one leg forward to that right direction. All right, let's go. Yeah, great. Yeah, still take one leg forward a little bit. Yeah, and just hold it like that. Yeah, perfect, perfect, perfect. Yeah, great. So you just give me a straight look, straight look. Yeah, just stand like that with that straight look. Okay. Mm-hmm. Let's do that. Okay. Okay. Now I just need you to stand straight for now. Just stand straight, like trying to market the press. And give me a straight look. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, just keep it straight. Yeah. Yeah, so just tune up a little bit. Sure. Yeah. Yeah, great. Yeah, still look here. Okay, you can look away now. Okay. You have something. Yeah, absolutely. Great. Let's get like that emotion testing. Okay. Want to go? Yeah, perfect. Again. Yeah, so I'm coming. Then I want to create something. I want to see if I can create something. Yeah, sharp. Sure. Go put women for inside wahala for this speech already take so.
As in, don't they put me for all also?
Should in case your DM is flooded, so I think okay, you still want let me try something different. Okay. So you can see the outcome of the three dimensional. You can see so perfect. You can see, you can see. Like this is so amazing. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, I love what I'm saying. Yeah, perfect. Great. Yeah, so hold it like that. So let's do what I did before. All right. Hmm. Like this. So guys, we did double exposure. You can see we did a double exposure. If you want to know more about this double exposure, I think this will be a class on its own. So you let me know in the comment section, and trust me, I'll find a way to put it. What's wrong? Wait. All right. So guys, I'm using my wide angle lens now, like a zoom lens. So I want to take, that kind of distorted image. You understand? So don't worry. See after. There we go. All right. So you just give it up. Yeah. Up now. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, I think your face is too much. Your face. All right. I think we're almost on. So, but just there's something I want to do from the. No, 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 go. Should I off the other light? Yeah, perfect. I want to shoot through the. I think maybe you could still move go that side. This it's fine. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, perfect. I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. But then, yes, I know what I'm saying. Just let's see that first. Guys, ideas keeps coming in, that's what creativity
So about
right? So now we're trying to create like use one stone to kill two birds, right? So now I'm seeing another angle from that mirror. So I'm going to shoot him here and also through the mirror, but the full attention is going to be on him. Anyway. So we'll just wait and see how. So just give it that pose, yeah. No, I think no, don't lean. That will just stay. That calm. This just be calm on the seat. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Lean. Change your head towards me. Let me see. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, that's it. So let's do the standing. Just one of the standing. Remove the weights. Hmm. I like. Yeah. You just stay like mirror that. Effect. Uh-huh. Stop belly.
my baby.
So move to this side a little bit. No. No, it's okay. You just stay like that. Yeah. Now you know what I'm saying now. Yeah, great.
Call has finished.
Yeah, I think I know what I want. Yeah.
Let's go from
So I'll do it.
happy line. It's so cute.
That's my booty, guys.
The camera of my was enter.
Yeah, we're done.
The assistant.
Yeah. My videographer.
The whole team.
My model.
Okay, this is the person behind the camera now.
All right. Well done, guys. Thank you. We are done. Peace.